Hey guys, Chris with Sons of Speed here. Today we're going to be installing the Mountune Short Shifter for the Focus RS. Alright, so first thing that you want to do is you want to remove the rubber airbox deflector and then disconnect the mass airflow sensor. So just remove this, kind of push that out of the way. And then here's your mass airflow sensor, very simple. There's a little clip here, you just push in, pull out. So Freezy Access, one of the things you should do is just pull off this plastic cover on the engine. That way you can just get a better look. Sometimes a little bit of a, there we go, more access. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to disconnect this rubber hose from the intake. So you just unscrew it. Slide this over so it unlocks. Just kind of muscle that rubber pipe off. There you go. So once you disconnect the rubber hose, next all you gotta do is pull up on the air box. It's attached by a couple rubber mounts. So just grab a hold of it and pull up. Gotta kind of get back there. Good, there we go. I think there's a third one, or we might be in good shape. There you go. You just got to kind of maneuver it a bit. Be careful so that you're not pulling on anything or ripping something apart. Just gotta move that hose out of the way, and it should be as simple as flipping it around. There we go. You just put that off to the side there, and as you can see, that allows us access to our shifter arm right here. Alright, so then what we want to do is, if you see this linkage here, we want to pry this off so we can replace the new one. What I have here is just a little pry bar. Put it underneath the linkage. It should just pop right off. There you go. Next thing what you want to do is you want to remove the pin that is actually holding the shifting arm to the actual transmission. Quick piece of advice, squirt it with a little WD-40. Help loosen that up a bit. Use the pin that is supplied in the kit, the punch, to help remove that pin. So you just stick it in there, lightly tap it. Now you want to be careful because we need to reuse the pin that's holding the linkage to the actual transmission, so make sure that you don't lose that. Okay, I believe that's it. No, just a little bit more. Again, you don't want to lose that pin, so just be careful. There we go. There's the pin. Take out the punch, and then this just lifts up. And pull it right out. There you go. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've successfully pulled off the shift arm. It took a little bit of time to get that pin out, but as you can see here, we have the OEM shift linkage arm and the Mountune shift linkage arm. First of all, size difference is quite dramatic, but even just the build quality. I mean, if you look at the two of these compared to each other, the Mountune is just such a high quality build quality. And obviously with this new shift arm linkage, what's going to happen is you're going to get a 25% reduction in throw in your shift. So that's going to be a great, easy upgrade for your Focus RS. Alright guys, so now we're going to put in the new shift arm linkage. Just kind of look where the holes were matched up. Fit right in there. There we go. Now, you take your roll pin, as you can see here, stick it in there. Got to find the hole where it started. Okay, quick tip, guys. Use the punch that they gave you. Insert it in the back to make sure that the holes are lined up. It'll just make pounding this roll pin in a lot easier. Alright guys, so after you get it in a good amount, what you're going to do is take away the punch that's in the back so that the roll pin can actually push itself through. Just take that punch, just give it a couple taps to make sure that it's in there properly. Alright guys, last step in installing the arm is just connect the shift linkage. And it'll just pop right on. There you go. Now, always make sure that before you do anything, that you double check inside the cabin of the car that the shifter is working, which we're going to do now. Alright, so just going through the gears, making sure everything is tight. Looks like we're good. Last step in the process after we've installed the Mountune Short Shift linkage is to reinstall the airbox. And again, you just got to make sure you line up those rubber holes. This wire, I just want to make sure. How's that wire? Okay, we're good there. Good there. Things catching, okay. Again, you just kind of go reverse from what you did in the beginning. Make sure everything is in there. Airbox is good. Reconnect the hose. The hose clamp nice and tight so you don't have any air leakage. And last but not least, reconnect the mass airflow sensor. Double check everything is nice and tight and where it should be. And there you go. We have successfully installed the Mountune Short Shift arm linkage for the Ford Focus RS. This has been Chris with Sons of Speed. Catch you next time, guys.
Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And check out the rest of our channel for more great videos.